We can also run by using npm start command. I close the previous tab, press enter. You can see next application successfully started. If I type on a tab localhost clone 3000 and hit enter, here you can see hello world. In the package.json file under scripts, you can watch your changes every time by using start clone dev command. So type on the terminal npm run start clone dev and hit enter. Next start. Okay, now open next-cli.json file. Here you can see source root is src. Open source folder. Under the source folder you can see the main.ts file. App.listen port is 3000. App module is under the app.module file. App.module file you will get controller provider. App.controller file. App.controller file. Here get hello function. Data type is string. If I check the app.service.ts file, you can see the returned hello world. I want to change it and write hello programmers. I reload the page. You can see the changes hello programmers, but the question is how is it working. Okay, go to ts.json file. You can see out directory is dist. If I open the dist folder, you can see main.js. So every changes is working on the dist folder and reflect the changes on the files. That's why it's working. We can add path or route inside controller parentheses like demo. If I add a /demo and reload the page, you can see it's working. You can create a controller manually, but I want to create it using a terminal. So type next g for generate controller, then controller name users. 2 files are created and 1 file is updated. Under the source folder you can see the users folders where 2 files are created and app.module.ts file is updated. Change the path and add user, hit enter. Status code 404 message cannot get users, error not found. Okay, we have to create a function. First we need to add @get function name, user info parenthesis clone, data type string. Inside curly braces type return I learned nestjs today. Now if I reload this page, you can see I learned nestjs today. Okay, I want to add another function, user details and data type object, returned id 1. info. Nest.js is a framework for building efficient and scalable Node.js web applications. Add path in details. Add details and hit enter. You can see ID info. Nest.js is a framework for building efficient and scalable Node.js web applications. Thanks for watching.